Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to see your Facebook watch history, the videos you have watched on Facebook previously, and also how to clear or delete them if you want to. Now let's go ahead and do that. Open your Facebook application and next you click on your profile icon right here, or you can use this particular one. They do the same thing anyway, but the other one is longer, so I like to click on this and then click on the three-dotted icon next to edit profile right here. You click on that and then you go over to activity log right here. Click on activity log. Now you notice just on this area before the story you have to swipe left, just like I do. Swipe and until you see your video watched. So this is my video watched. You click on it and you are going to see every video that you watched. These are the videos that I've watched recently. So if you want to see the older ones, you click right here. Click right here. Click on the date, and then you go to a start date. You choose a particular year. Assume 2019 and go to end year 2022 and choose your date and click OK. And next you click on done, and this is going to load all of the video you watch between that year. Now the reason why I have no item right here is because I do not watch videos. Then all I do is walk and walk. So if I decide to say 2024, yeah, I watched some video, then I am sure it's going to show me some things, but it did not show anything. Why? Okay, let's say 2025, and then it shows some information, quick information, right? Let me go ahead and share this information. I used to delete my watch history, and also I stop it from saving my watch history also. So on your own case, you are going to see all of your video that you've watched. They are going to display right here. And if you want to delete any of them individually, you can click on this three-dotted icon. Click on the three-dotted icon and then you hit delete, and it's going to delete. So that is the reason why you do not see any of my watched video, because I always delete them. So if you are okay, you can go ahead and clear the history if you want to clear all of your watch history. So this is how to clear it. You click on clear and they are all going to be clear. You notice right there it says started clearing your watch history. If your watch history is, so it's going to clear everything. If it's too much, it's going to take some time to wipe everything, but then it's going to clear it. So you just allow it. And then this trash, I do not know why this trash is here, but whenever you click it, it's usually empty. But everything you delete should be displayed in trash, but for some reason this is not active. So guys, this is actually how to see your Facebook watch history and how to delete them. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.